What's up guys, Boost Tech here, and today we will be reviewing the MacBook Pro. So I spent a lot of money on this, so hopefully it's better than the M1 MacBook Pro I'm using right now. So let's flip it. You can see the specs. M4 chip, 24 gigabytes of memory, and 1 terabyte of storage. Let me just have ASMR satisfaction with this peel. Oh, once in a lifetime experience. Apple just makes their peels so crazy.
2,000 years later.
Oh, flip it over, cause it's gonna come on. Oh yes, instant satisfaction. Apple's new paper cover. Okay. In here, manual. I mean, like, who needs these? These are pieces of junk. And another wrapped item. The 70-watt charger. And I think I have a 67-watt charger under my desk right now. And Apple has actually substantially made these smaller, so that's good. And here is the space black charging cable. Okay, well, why did I open that? That's great. More junk to clean up. And here it doesn't seem like there could be anything, so I'll put that aside. And here is the shiny boy, the one we've been all waiting for. I can't wait to open this up. So while I'm at it, I want to see, just because I'm curious, how much thicker this is than last gen's, or the M1. Okay, this one, 13 millimeters. And this one is more like 12 millimeters. So it's a little bit thicker than the 2021 M1 Mac with 32 gigabytes. Side profile. Here is the MagSafe charging port. USB-C, another USB-C, and the headphone jack. On the other side, let's go flip. We have SD card slot, USB-C, and HDMI. And one thing for sure is that is the exact same layout as the 2021. As we open it up, you guys will see it first before me. Oh yes. Let me just. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I would just say right now, the overall review for the M4 MacBook Pro is, if you really want to upgrade, like, you should, but like, I wouldn't recommend you just upgrading from the M3 Mac to the M4 Mac. Right now, I'm just saying, if you have like an M1 Mac and you do like hard stuff like video editing and playing games, this is a computer for you. So thank you, subscribe, and here are some other videos that are really outdated, so yeah.